All right, today I'm going to show you how to fix your blend door actuator. If you hear a ticking noise coming from this area of your dash, it's most likely a blend door actuator. I believe there's two of them here. This is a 2015 Dodge Challenger. I believe they go up to 2023. So yeah, let's get right to it. Pop this piece off. It goes right here. You can just pry it off. Then you'll see two screws right here you got to remove. You can just pry this off. Oops. Nothing some super glue can't fix. Word of advice. Just make sure you remove this bottom trim in order to get it all off. Remove the screws. You have one. I started removing them here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Okay, you got 6 screws coming all the way around. Pull and pull it down and it'll come right down. You don't really have to remove any of these cables here. Just kind of make sure they're not too tight where they're gonna pull a wire or anything. But other than that, you should be very fairly easy to get into. Here's one of them. And just wait to hear the ticking. You hear the ticking? Put my hand on it. I can feel it ticking right here. This is the bad one. Unplug it. It does have the two little red. Let me see if I can zoom in. There it is. Those red little clips that'll hold it into place. Up there. There it is. Just pull them up, and then you'll be able to unclip it. It's just a simple procedure of pull them up, and then press in and unclip it. Use something like this. It's a star in there. Use something small like this because this is how you're going to be able to unscrew the 2 bolts. Looks like one is here at the bottom, and then the other one should be right across up top. To remove the top screw, use an extender like this because you'll have more leverage. Once you remove it, you got to make sure that you see how it skips a tooth right here. You got to make sure that it's lined up to the old one. You see where it skips the tooth on this side right here? See how this one is more to the right and this one is more centered up on the left right here, and you got this one here to the right. So what you have to do is you have to use a positive and a negative with a small battery like this possibly, or connect it to your car's battery and just plug positive, negative here, positive and negative here, and it will start to turn. Once it turns into this position, unplug it, and then you'll be able to put it into the slot. Otherwise, if you try to cram it in like this, you're gonna hear the same old ticking method, and it probably is not even gonna work at all. I use a tool like this where I can crimp my positive and my negative, and then I have these 2 pins for my positive and negative. And then basically you're just going to connect them. So as you can see, it's going to start rotating. See that? There you go. Once you got them aligned, screw it back on pretty tightly, plug it back in, go to your AC settings, and test it out. See if you're gonna hear any noise. Noise is gone. We are good to go. All right, well, there you have it. Just put it all back together. If this video has helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and tune in for the next one. Like new.